Hey everyone, I'm Fred from Stencil-Tech. This is Dylan. Dylan is down doing some training with us today. I'm going to be showing him how we apply our Stencil-Tech colour surface hardener. Now it all starts by opening the bag. You'll be very strong with this. Ow! That's all right. So you open up your bag, you've got your material there, you've got your colour surface hardener. In this case we're using our biscuit colour. So the concrete has all been finished. We're going to get our colour hardener, we get our hand in, give it a good loosen up, Dylan, like that, so it's all nice and fluffy and usable. Then we're going to get a small handful. We're going to start at the furthest point, just applying small amounts at a time. And by throwing it at the furthest point, we're going to be working our way back with the colour hardener, ensuring that we're getting a good coverage. And what I'm also doing is taking note that I'm not getting too much colour in front of me, because applying too much colour can cause issues in the printing stage and the troweling stage, while the surface actually tearing and opening up. So, small amounts at a time, make sure it's light and fluffy, apply at your furthest point first, and work your way back in, as you see there. Trying to do it as lightly as we can so we're not getting any craters in the mix or on top of the concrete. And as you can see, as the colour hardener goes on, if we can get a close-up of this please. As it goes on, it starts off very light and you can see it's soaking into the concrete, so the moisture is getting into that colour hardener, which means it will be ready to trowel. So when it's all nice and dark, like you see here, we've still got a few lighter bits here, but once it's all dark like that, it's going to be ready for troweling. So that'll be your first coat. You'll go on with a second coat, and then you may apply a couple of little bits here and there where there may be a little bit of concrete bleaching through, just to get a good coverage of colour. So there you go guys, that's how we apply colour surface hardener. Thank you.